Hi, I'm Christina Doherty with Christina Doherty and Associates, and Nugget here, and I are going to tell you about the fall market for Fairfax County. What I'm seeing on the ground, what the data says, and how to play it smart whether you're a buyer or a seller. So this fall feels different. We've got more homes to choose from, prices holding near last year, and a calmer pace compared to the frenzy of the last many years. So think more conversations and comparisons and fewer blink and you miss it weekends. If you are a numbers person, we've got 1,750 active listings right now, about 1/3 higher than last year. Our median sales price is around $712,000, which is 1% lower year over year, but largely steady. A typical time in the market right now this fall is about 3 weeks, which gives buyers a little more breathing room, but well-priced homes are getting multiple offers. So we have about 1,140 new listings this fall and around 1,040 went under contract. So we've got good movement in both directions. So we have about 1.9 months of supply. So it's still a seller-leaning market, but less tight than last year. So buyers can tour a couple more options before writing, and sellers need to price to today and show up beautifully to win the weekend. So advice for sellers: price for today's conditions. With supply nearly at 2 months, buyers have options. Reach pricing tends to add days on the market. So you need to use fresh comps and a live competition. With active listings up roughly 1/3 year over year, condition and marketing matter more. So stage thoughtfully, lead with strong photo, video, and market. Plan for timing. Expect around 3 weeks on average. Again, faster if you're priced and prepped right. Be strategic on your terms. Homes are still selling near list price across the region. So you can target concessions like closing cost help or rate buy down to secure a strong buyer without big price cuts. If you're a buyer, use the extra choice. With about 1,750 actives, compare options, watch days on market, and the longer the days on market, you can spot some negotiable opportunities. Move decisively on standouts. So if there are well-priced homes, get ready to be in action. Have your pre-approval and be ready to move. You can often keep contingencies in this market. Again, if you're not super competing, we've got inspection, appraisal, closing windows that you prefer. So you can negotiate the payment, not just the price. If a home sits longer, ask about credits for closing costs, rate buy down, etc. to improve your monthly payment. So bottom line this fall, Fairfax County offers more inventory, near flat pricing, and a calmer pace. If you want this broken down by your neighborhood or your area, happy to run a custom report and map out the best strategy for your move. So subscribe monthly for Fairfax County updates, and I'll see you soon.